Okay, let's show them. We have chicken pox na. Let me see. Yan, no? Chicken pox. 1, 2. Another one. Let me see. No more na? Chicken pox na sila, mommy. Then, sa back mo, sa back. See? Oh, awa. Oh. Awa. Other side, other side. Faster, faster. Ayan, oh. No, no, no. I mean your arm. Ayan, oh. Oh. Wait lang. Oh, awa. Oh. Other one here. Oh. See?
Very dangerous.
Ayan, oh. Big ones na, oh. Putok na sila, oh. Wawa ka? Are you wawa?
I'm not.
It's not itchy? Do not touch it, kasi you touch the birdies. Your hands are dirty, okay? Later mo na sila play. Clean mo muna yung hands mo, okay? Say, I love you, everybody.
Love you.
Say, when is your birthday?
20 March 7.
What?
20 March 7.
No, it's 27th of March. March 27. How old are you na? How old are you? No, you're 2. But when it's March 27, how old are you na? Like this, oh. Yeah, very good. What do you want for your birthday?
20 March.
What do you want for your birthday? What gift?
20 March 7.
Yes, but what do you want for your birthday? What gift do you want?
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob?
Yes.
What else?
SpongeBob na lang.
SpongeBob lang. What do you want to do for your birthday? What do you want, a party?
Yes.
What kind?
Color and
What do you want for your party?
balloon.
Balloons? What else? What else?
Balloon.
Who do you want to go to your party? Who are you going to invite? Sino punta sa party mo?
Balloon.
Hey, Azriel. What do you want to go? Who do you want to go to your party?
My bird.
My birdies are invited.
I like to bring my bird and then she wants to is kami yung berry kayong
Who gave you your birdies ba?
lolo.
Lolo bought them? Oh, it's not nanay?
It's nanay.
Okay.
Nanay bought it lolo.
Say hi to Lola Ana, Lola Cecil, Mama Aye, Mama Nikki, Mama Martha, Kuya Pa... What? What? Say hi.
Hi, Tito Marta.
All of them.
I love you, Tito Marta. I love you.
Yes.
I love you, Tito Marta. I love you.
What? Who else? Tita Marta and... Whatever. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Bye.